Guys, I'm here today to show you this absolutely gorgeous 3-bedroom detached property over on Welwyn Drive in Salford. So to the front you'll see we have got access to the garage and off-road parking for multiple cars. Now as we head in, we're greeted with this gorgeous welcoming hallway. Loads of space here, done to a really good standard. The property is immaculate throughout. And to the left as we head in, got a lounge area with a bay-fronted window, loads of natural light coming in, beautifully decorated. Really good family or entertaining space. Got understairs storage there, and the second reception room. Again, a really good space in here. Double doors open into the rear garden. Beautifully presented. This property has recently undergone a new roof and new windows, so it is all well maintained. Here we've got the kitchen diner, all integrated appliances, completely modern, overlooking the garden, which does overlook the golf course. Now we've got access to the rear garden through the kitchen here and also the garage. The garage does have electric in there. It's a really good space you can access from the front and back. And you'll see the golf course to the rear there. Not overlooked at all. Little seating area just to the side. And side access. Now as we head on upstairs, we'll find 3 double bedrooms with a family bathroom and an ensuite. All completely modern again, ready to move straight into. So to the front we have the family bathroom, has a large walk-in shower. Beautiful 3-piece suite. We've got the front bedroom here, again, double bed, loads of space for storage, loads of natural light with the big bay window there. Got the second bedroom here, which again has a lot of space for storage. And a double bed. Does overlook the garden and the golf course, this bedroom. And then as we head on to the rear of the property, you'll find on the extension is another double bed with an ensuite. Does have 2 windows, so loads of natural light there. And an ensuite with a bath. Which again, really modern, great space there. Property does have a loft with drop-down ladders, which is accessed from the landing. If you would like to view the property, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.